Hello, this is John coming to you from Chug. I'm here today with 3 new English words. First, let's have a drink. Today I want to talk to you about 3 words in English that you can use in different cases. Today we want to talk about the words sip, drink, and chug. The words are easily used as verbs or nouns. So, how should we know the difference between these 3 words? Take a look at this. When I want to get some water, see, I can do this. I can do this. And I can do this. Yes, you see, each 3 cases, they have different words for them in English. The first one, when I take just a little bit of water, like this is a sip. I sipped some water, I took a sip. Second one is, yeah, that's just a normal drink. I drank some water, I had a drink, which could be for alcoholic drinks too. But the last one, that's a chug. Good luck. Click on my bio, join Chug to learn more. Thank you.